Breaking. Welcome to today's headlines. Nnamdi Kanu not bothered about Buhari's refusal to release him. Nnamdi Kanu not bothered about Buhari's refusal to release him. To my dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, stay tuned as I read today's news. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, lawyer to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, says his client is not bothered about President Muhammadu Buhari's decision not to release him. Niger News report that Ejiofor was reacting to an interview granted by Buhari on Channels Television on Wednesday night, saying that he would not interfere in any judicial process relating to the pro-Biafran agitator. Buhari asked Nnamdi Kanu to defend himself in court for spreading false information about Nigeria when he was in the United Kingdom. Reacting in a statement on Thursday, Ejiofor said the legal team of the IPOB leader was not surprised by the position taken by the president on the matter. Describing Buhari's response as a stereotyped response, he stated that the federal government has no case against his client and the executive arm should desist from further interfering in the judicial process. The lawyer appealed to the president to direct the Department of State Service (DSS) to obey all court orders regarding Kanu's case. Ejiofor stated that these are some of the discussions the legal team had with Kanu during a routine visit to the IPOB leader at the DSS headquarters in Abuja on Thursday. The statement read, "We visited our most revered client today as routinely guaranteed by the court protocol at the DSS. Interestingly, a number of engaging developments were discussed, including yesterday's stereotyped response by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria (FRN) on issues relating to a political solution in our client's case. We were not one bit perturbed by his response, knowing fully well that they have no case against our client. What we earnestly asking for is nothing else but for the executive arm of government, led by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to desist from further interfering in the judicial process. We can authoritatively confirm to the world that the executive arm of the government of the FRN, ably led by the President, is gravely and effectively interfering in our client's judicial proceedings. To demonstrate good faith and impartiality, we beckon on the President of the FRN to first caution the DSS, which answers solely to him, to obey all court orders as it relates to the management of this case. Our client, Onyedu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, should not be detained in solitary confinement, which is an act of torture, in the custody of the same agency, accusing him of committing sundry offenses and expect a fair hearing, and there is no independence of the judiciary as far as this case is concerned. And the president of the FRN is fully aware of this. If it is the position of the president of the FRN to allow a fair hearing, he should follow up and ensure its reality. Most promptly, in view of the ongoing and incessant abduction and or disappearance of numerous innocent citizens in the southeast, Onyedu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu admonished all and sundry, particularly his followers, supporters, to be wary, vigilant, and circumspect at all times, particularly as it relates to calls and contact from unknown persons. Onyedu, as usual, sends his appreciation to all his ardent followers who have remained undaunted and defiant against all odds. If you are in Ejiofor, lawyer to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, says his client is not bothered about President Muhammadu Buhari's decision not to release him. Niger News reports that Ejiofor was reacting to an interview granted by Buhari on Channels Television on Wednesday night, saying that he would not interfere in any judicial process relating to the pro-Biafran agitator. To my dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your view is all about. Thank you.